How do I know if my Relay ACH transfer went through? Hook. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to know if your Relay ACH transfer went through. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good topic to cover in a video. Context. Before I get into the main content, I want to take a moment to explain what a Relay ACH transfer is. A Relay ACH transfer is a type of electronic funds transfer that allows you to send money from one bank account to another. It is a convenient and efficient way to move money, and it is often used by businesses and individuals. Now that you have a better understanding of what a Relay ACH transfer is, let's get into the main content of this video. Main content. There are a few different ways to know if your Relay ACH transfer went through. The first way is to check your bank account. If the money has been transferred to your account, you will see it as a credit. The second way to know if your Relay ACH transfer went through is to check the status of the transfer online. Most banks have a website where you can check the status of your transactions. The third way to know if your Relay ACH transfer went through is to contact your bank. You can call your bank and ask them about the status of your transfer. Once you know that your Relay ACH transfer has gone through, you can take the following steps. Confirm that the amount of money transferred is correct. Confirm that the money was transferred to the correct account. If you are expecting a refund, make sure that the money was refunded to the correct account. If you have any questions about your Relay ACH transfer, please contact your bank. Additional tips. When you initiate a Relay ACH transfer, be sure to double-check all of the information you enter. If you are transferring a large amount of money, it is a good idea to contact your bank beforehand to let them know. If you are having trouble with your Relay ACH transfer, you can contact the company that you are using to send the money. Conclusion. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. I also encourage you to share this video with your friends and family. Additional content. In addition to the information in the video, I would also like to add that you can use a personal finance app to track your Relay ACH transfers. This can be a helpful way to keep track of your finances and to make sure that your transfers are going through as expected. I would also like to add that it is important to be aware of the risks associated with Relay ACH transfers. There is always a risk that the money will not be transferred as expected. If you are concerned about the risks, you may want to consider using a different method to send money. I would also like to add that Relay ACH transfers can take up to 5 business days to complete. If you need the money quickly, you may want to consider using a different method of transfer. I hope this additional information is helpful. Thank you for watching. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. I hope this script is helpful.